Today we're coming at you with a Chevy 2500 long bed. This one's got the Duramax. It's going up 7.5 inches on some 35s. Let's check it out.
Here at Soco Customs, Josh Landis here, looking at this 2019 Chevy Duramax, the 6.6 liter four-wheel drive. This one's a little different than the ones we've done in the past. It's the long bed edition here, so got that long, nice sleek rear end there. Lifted this up 7.5 inches. Overall suspension lift there. Gives it that really good aggressive off-road look. Rolling a Moto Metal. It's a two-tone wheel, black barrel, chrome inner. 22 by 10. It's a -19 back spacing. Wrapped in an amp terrain gripper. It's a 35 1250 22. We do have a review on our YouTube channel for that tire specifically. This tire actually offers a 40,000 mile warranty. Great tire from them. Great noise, lowered noise level, not like a mud terrain, but definitely has the performance. This kit's really cool. It's a torsion drop kit. Leaves the torsion bars in there, maintains that factory ride. It is a little stiffer, but after a little while it actually get pretty used to it. This truck in the back here, you can just totally tell with that long bed, it's just a totally different feel. And then if you notice something different, this truck does have fender flares, but they're the non-pocket. They're the smooth fender flares there, 2-inch fender flare there, without the pockets or rivets. So it's right, nice clean look, color matched, that beautiful Chevy blue. This is going to get delivered to Mike Maroney North. Be available for purchase there. Nice 7.3 in the background driving by. Well, we love our diesels here, man. Soco, thank you, military, for your service. Lovely jets in the background every time we shoot. I tell you, we got great timing. But now, come check this out at Mike Maroney. Please follow us on YouTube. Got some really cool stuff coming up. This week we got a build that's just going to be really awesome. So.